Moving to Manipur now, just days ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, the civil society groups in Northeast have joined hands together to unanimously oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Representatives from all the states of Northeast congregated in Manipur's Imphal, expressing solidarity against the bill. The pressure groups resolved that they have formed the common platform under the banner of Northeast People's Conference to stiffly oppose the bill. Not to forget, the Citizenship Amendment Bill has been the key issue in the recent past as the BJP-led centre's push to pass the contentious bill had led to massive outroar in the region. And subsequent to this, the BJP decided to take a call on the issue if it returns back to power after the elections. And besides, the opposition also has harped on the Citizenship Amendment Bill issue to garner support in view of the elections.
Well, this is the first Northeast People's Conference 2019, and this conference has been is a product of the recent movement of the people of Northeast, entire people of Northeast against Citizenship Amendment Bill, and in the past, different states of the Northeastern region has struggled against this bill, and now we are coming together for the first time in the history of Northeast, and we have decided to form an alliance together and to move forward to face the policy of Government of India, especially this, to face or to struggle or to carry any movement against this bill and any other national policy that will have negative implications to the people of Northeast. And today we have representations from Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh, and of course this very event is being hosted by Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill.